Today, me and Vanessa are doing the
Bird seed challenge.
bird seed challenge, and we have to throw them outside and see how many birds come for them. So I'm just gonna pause it for a second. So this is how many we collected right now, but I'm Migdalia, this is Vanessa. She's really pretty, I'm pretty, right? And
And you know what? I got this dress for her. It's a really cute dress that she never wore.
that's the dress I never want to wear.
And
I'm recording now.
these are the shoes that goes with them, but she wears these, but not the dress. Isn't that kind of weird?